books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Ghost stories. In a dark, deep, dark forest lived a zombie vampire werewolf bear. And he gobbled everybody up with his awful werewolf teeth. Yeah. And they've not been heard from since.
Who now? The vampire, or the zombie, or the mummy, or the bear?
Huh? What? No, those are all just parts of the one bear. Come on. Ah, forget it. It's Franny's turn next.
Listen up while I tell the tale of Gigantic Gruntus. Gigantic Gruntus is a monster that lives deep in the woods. It comes out at night to hunt. It has 3 horns, 4 massively clawed paws, 2 slimy tails, 13 stomachs, and a long boogery trunk. It eats one thing only. All it eats is bears!
Gigantic Gruntus, I'm not even that scared.
Gosh, Franny, you're really good at telling ghost stories. Gigantic Gruntus.
Whoever said it was just a story? It's 1,000,000% real.
Yeah, right. I believe that, and I'm super scared. Aren't you scared, Bjorn?
Yeah. I'm terrified of a silly kid story.
Fine. Then I'll just be heading home. And I'm taking my flashlight, too.
Franny, hey! I hope you don't get eaten by lame Gruntus. I called him lame Gruntus, dude. Guess it's time we went home. Let's take the tent down and deal with the fire. Boy, it's a little dark.
Yeah. Bucky? Bucky, are you really sure Gigantic Gruntus is only a silly kid story?
Bjorn, I'm as sure as can be. Franny completely made him up. Well, here's where you go right and I go left.
Bucky, listen. Don't you think it's boring just walking by yourself? Would you walk with me until I'm home safe?
So, I guess I'm not in a big hurry. Walking down the perfectly safe path in the perfectly safe woods.
Bucky, what if this Gigantic Gruntus is real, just like Franny told us?
Bjorn, enough! You've got to stop with the big, scary Gruntus and hurry up! Well, Bjorn, we made it. There's your house.
Well, good night then. Hope you get home safe.
Bjorn, wait up! It's just that, I walked you here. It's only fair you walk with me. Plus it's no fun walking just by yourself.
Bucky, after I walk you home, you are going to walk me back to my place again, right? It'd just be so boring, walking home by myself.
You don't need to worry about that. We'll come up with a schedule, all right? Walking down the perfectly safe path and the perfectly... What the...
Gigantic Gruntus! Help! Open up! Franny!
I beg you!
Please, open up!
Bucky? Bjorn, hey, what's going on?
Gigantic Gruntus!
Gigantic Gruntus? But I just made that up, you silly boys.
But we saw him! He was really there!
There were 3 horns and really sharp claws, just the way you described him.
Fine, then. Just come show me.
We'll take you to him, but first I'll invent a Giggity Gruntus Whomping Club.
Bucky, how can we be sure your Gigantic Gruntus Whomper will work right?
Of course it'll work. I built it, didn't I? You hear that, Whumpy? Don't let me down.
Gigantic Gruntus!
Ah! Please don't eat me! I taste
I'm
terrible!
too furry to die!
Ow! Get off!
Sorry.
Let's take a look at your Gigantic Gruntus. An owl in a tree? You're the biggest scaredy bears ever!
Scared? I never actually said I was scared. Pretending, so you would be scared.
Uh-huh. Gigantic gruntus! Eat Bucky, he's yummy!
I heard that.
No, help! It's Gigantic No more scary stories for you boys. Just stories about bunnies and cupcakes and naps. The fairest of them all. So, yes. Hey! Bleh. My stupid big ears are ridiculous. And don't get me started on my tail. Oh, I might as well give up. I'm not pretty. Not like these flowers are. They're just simply beautiful. And I'm just simply not. Wouldn't it be just wonderful to be a flower?
What do you think?
Good, but there's something missing.
Yeah, it needs something beautiful.
That's it. Every first-class fountain needs to have a lovely statue in it.
Bucky! Bjorn! Hi there! You notice anything?
Jeez Louise, Franny. What's that thing on your head? Did you chug flower juice or something?
Hey, come on! Why are you laughing? Doesn't everyone think flowers are beautiful?
Yes, flowers are very beautiful, but a fox in a weird flower headdress thing? Not so much.
It's not like you guys are beauty experts or anything. Forget you guys.
Whoa! I know just what our fountain needs. Just right. Isn't it?
I'm not really sure it is.
Yeah, you're right, and I agree.
Chug flower juice, bah. They don't know what's pretty. Ah, fishy! It's so pretty. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be a fish?
Cool, right?
Seriously? You want to put a recliner in the middle of a fountain?
Well, yeah. It looks nice, and you can climb up and sit on it.
I see. Just be sure to remember your umbrella.
Hey, guys! Notice anything? I'm really, really pretty like this, right? Ooh.
Franny's been eating too much sushi. Look, even a fish knows a chair shouldn't be in a fountain.
Franny, are you all right? Why are you a fish?
Because fish are beautiful. You don't get it.
I've got it, Bjorn. I know just what we need. Right? Ha-ha! Yeah! Ha! Right? Huh? No, not quite.
Huh? Nothing's right.
Help us find the perfect thing we wish we might. Look at it, perfection itself.
That is 12 kinds of goofy.
Hey, this is not goofy. Chicky rocks. Hey, where do you think you're going? Get back here, stop. Disappointment. What is happening right now? A peacock's tail? Check it out.
Well, peacocks happen to be the prettiest birds on the entire planet.
Yeah, but a peacock is a peacock, see? And you can't be one because you're a fox.
This is just too much. Franny the peacock. Perfect. Too much. It's just so great.
This doesn't make me beautiful either. Stop laughing.
Franny, hey! Franny, wait, don't go. You hurt her feelings. Guess we both hurt her feelings.
Hey, dude, listen. I've got the answer to our fountain problem. Come with me, because I've had a thought that could unify the whole darn plot. We'll put the perfect thing in the perfect spot. 1, 2, 3. We've kind of both been lousy friends, so we'll make the thing that makes amends. Sweet Franny's happiness depends on you and me. Yes, sirree. Welcome to the grand opening of our brand new magnificent fountain. It's been a long, strange road, but at long last, it's completely done.
Come on, enough talk. Ready, set, fly!
What the huh? Is that me? You guys put me in the middle of your pretty fountain? But wouldn't it be better to pick something beautiful?
Franny, what could possibly be more beautiful than you?
We think you're the most beautiful fox in the history of the entire planet.
Turn it on, Bjorny.
You're right. I don't look half bad up there. I'm really thirsty all of a sudden. Franny's birthday!
Get ready to feel the sting of defeat, because here comes a world-class goal.
Yeah, bring it on, Big Bear.
A beautiful kick. It's going, goner. Oh, man. Chicky, hey, what do you have? This is to all my friends. Today is my birthday. Everybody's invited to my house for yummy cake and punch from your friend Franny.
What? I didn't realize it was Franny's birthday.
It's so great. All the cake I can eat.
Dude, I'm gonna go and get Franny the best birthday present ever.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Don't even bother, my friend. I'm gonna give Franny the coolest present.
Oh, yeah? All right, then. We'll just see about that. The greatest present ever. Come on, Bjorn, use your brain. A chicken popsicle. No, wait. Ugh. Oh, I just had a Bucky-esque genius idea. Table, ice, talent, nice. If I chisel from the heart, it'll set my gift apart. Then it won't be just a present, it'll be a work of art. Awesome, right? That's a darn cool present. And not just because it's made of ice. Do you think she'll like it?
Ha! That's the best you could do? A weird frozen Franny Francicle? You don't have a chance, Bjorn. I'm gonna show you just how awesome a present can be. A cool idea? No, actually, it's hot. I know that Franny will like it quite a lot and say that it's the greatest gift she's ever got. The Franny Bug! Yeah! Oh, no one's ever seen a present like this. This'll be Bjorn's frozen fox easy. Hey, Chicky, do you love my present? The greatest present ever, right? Unlike Bjorn's gift.
You've done well telling me about this. I'm going to have to take my ice fox to the next level. Table, ice, twice as nice. Ah, look at that. It's the best present ever.
So that's how it's gonna be, is it? You just wait until I'm done with Franny Botzilla! Taking walks and playing games. A bit to the left, when there's sunny weather. Now to the right.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sheesh, put your beak into it. We're almost there now. Why is ice this heavy?
If there's rain, they'll sing some song. Stop, just stop. Stop, please. Your maker says stop. Don't turn left, you'll fall down the hill. You big brainless walking junk pile. Every day just has a way of stinking.
It looks like somebody will be showing up giftless. What a shame.
That's right, but I don't think I'm alone in that.
What are you talking about?
Maybe you should turn around.
Huh? Bummer.
Happy birthday, you know who, in the sunny weather. Party guests, oh, where are you? Wish we were together.
Well, this stinks. You work hard on a great present and the dumb thing falls apart, leaving you with nothing to give.
Franny's probably just sitting there alone and sad.
So what's the plan? Oh, hey, Bjorn! Would flowers make a nice present?
Yeah, Franny really likes plants and stuff.
I know where I can pick some flowers that Franny will love.
Bucky, where did you get those flowers?
Never mind, just ring the bell.
Hello there, Franny. Happy birthday.
We're sorry, but we didn't bring you any presents.
Hey, you guys are the only present I need.
That's nice. Oh yeah, we did manage to bring you these.
Wowee! Gosh, these flowers are really pretty. Just like the ones I have in my flower bed.
Bucky, tell me you didn't pick those flowers from Franny's own garden.
Yes, I did. How else could I be sure she'd love them?